Guys, so you know what I'm doing? I have another Mary Kay unboxing, and this is a personal order and also a customer order. So, yellow water, sorry. So first off, I want to show you this pH lip balm that I got on my last order. It's the Bailey, and it's supposed to change with your pH. So let me show you the color it looks like on the stick. It's real Bailey-ish. So because my pH is different, it's not, and it's very moisturizing. That's what I like about it. And it's a lip balm. It's really pretty. They got this cute packaging. And I believe this was 16, but I can't remember off the top of my head because it is limited edition. So anyways, yes, I do love the pH lip balm. It's super moisturizing, and I can just put a little bit on, and it's not this super bright, but it's nice. Anyways, let's get to it. We have the Microdermabrasion Plus set. This was a customer order. I actually used the skin analyzer on her. So I downloaded the app, the Mary Kay Skin Analyzer, and I'll put the link below for that. It analyzed her skin, and it suggested what products she should use on her face, so to target the areas that she needed targeted. I am going to show you this real quick. It all came individually wrapped this time, which I didn't think they normally do. So the set comes with. Sorry, I got out of that. This comes with the Refine, Microdermabrasion Refine, and then the Pore Minimizer. And this set goes for $55 retail price, and it's, let's see, it improves their skin texture, skin looks instantly younger, significantly shrinks the look of pores, and really immediately smooths the look of fine lines. So the next one is the, what is this? Indulge Soothing Eye Gel. Retails for $16, and it's this blue eye gel that helps with puffiness underneath the eyes. And that was one customer order. And then also the unlimited lip gloss. It is the Confident Pink. It's not too out there, so it's kind of like a nude pink. And these retail for $16, I believe, also. Yep. And I also got this little cute cellophane that comes with the satin lip set. It's the Shea Sugar Scrub and the Shea Butter Balm. So yeah, and I'm gonna put that in a little gift bag for her. I also got this for $5, which I actually got for myself. I have one of these, but this is another gift that I'm giving. So I'm gonna put all that in there. And this Thinking of You is a perfume that one of my coworkers wanted, but couldn't get right away, so this is a Thinking of You that retails for $32, and it smells really good. Okay, so I also got, my customer also got the Acne Treatment Gel Clear Proof, and this retails for only $10, and it's amazing if you don't have any. And I also gifted 2 of them because you can't go wrong with that. Also, I got the men's fragrance gift set, which is limited edition, and I'm going to show it to you. This is what it looks like. And came in. This retails for $36. You get 3 travel size ones. And it comes with the Cityscape, the High Intensity, and the High Intensity Sport. So you can try all 3 and decide which one he likes. And eventually maybe get that one instead of the one he likes. So that's all I have. Yep, that's all I got for you today. I did accidentally buy one item that I forgot to take off, so I'm going to return that. I tried to contact them before they sent it to me, but it was too late. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe below. Bye.